anateremka pale. Asante sana. Na kurudisha mchanga mzuri pale.
I want to say we are beginning the recruitment process for KDF from this Monday, and I want to urge Kenyans. We have seen a huge turnout of applications of the various cadres that we are recruiting, which is good, seeing our young people fronting themselves to serve their country. But I want to address the concerns that have been raised over the years about the corruption that exists within the recruitment process. Recruitment and getting admitted to the Kenya Defence Forces is free of charge. You must not pay even 1 shilling to get your position into